To get animated emoji while texting with Google Messaging app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to disable remove animation option in your phone setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Here you can see that remove animation option is turned on. Now open Google Messaging app. Send an emoji to others. You can see that the emoji you sent is static. Now go back to the vision enhancement menu in your phone setting. And then tap the blue on option next to remove animation to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is disabled and your phone will not remove animation within the apps. Now go back to the Google Messaging app. Try sending an emoji. You can see that the emoji is now animated. Compared to the static emoji, animated emojis are considered to be more expressive and have a stronger emotional resonance. And by using animated emojis, it can help others understand your emotional expression better. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.